In case you missed it, we'll repeat it once again. Survivor South Africa is back.
Yeah, come on.
And get this, to celebrate, we're looking for Joburg's sole survivor. We want to give them 20,000 rands. We hid 2 immunity idols somewhere in the city, and now we have the 2 finalists who found them in studio. They're ready. They're ready to battle it out for that 20,000 rands. We're going to ask each of them 5 questions based on the show Survivor. The other contestant is at the back. We have Wade here with us, ready to go first. Whoever has the highest score wins 20,000 rands and the title of Joburg's sole survivor.
Hey, listen, this is going to be huge. 20 South Africans, well, now 19 from all walks of life, battle it out on the Wild Coast for the title of sole survivor and 1 million rand prize money. Who will outwit, outplay, and outlast? Survivor South Africa, Immunity Island. Tune in every Thursday at 7:30 on Mnet, DSTV channel 101. And here we go. We're going to find Joburg's one.
This is going to be amazing. Wade, welcome to 947 Drive with Thando.
Thank you.
We told you to do one thing and one thing only last night, Wade. Did you do it?
Watch Survivor.
Love it.
What did you think? What did you think of the first episode?
I think it was quite good, eh?
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
And Jason, what did you think of Jason?
Tough luck for Jason.
Okay, Wade, I've got 5 questions for you. We're going to ask your opponent the same questions so that it's all fair. He can't hear us from where he's sitting.
Well, we hope not. We've got to make sure that he can't hear anything.
We put some headphones
Yeah. Oh,
on
have
him.
we? Okay, very good.
So he cannot hear us. Here's the first question for you, Wade. What was the very first season of Survivor South Africa called?
I like that we've taken away phones and all forms of Google here.
Yes, so that no one can
Okay,
Google.
can we get back to that one?
Okay, so you don't know that one. Here's another question. What do castaways have to win or find in order to avoid being voted out?
So it's either an immunity idol or they need to win immunity.
Correct.
Yeah,
That is
spot on.
1 point to you. Here's the next question. Who was the first castaway to be voted out?
Jason.
That is correct.
Sure.
Here comes question number 3. Name the 2 tribes in Survivor South Africa Immunity Island.
It is Vuna and Zamba.
That is
Yep,
correct.
spot
He
on.
sits at 3 out of 5. 3 out of 4 so far, because
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first one you didn't know. Here's your final question. Who was chosen as the fire maker for Vuna?
Chappie.
Chappies
All right, so
is
they got-
correct.
all right,
That
so 4
means
out of 5.
Wade sits with 4 out of 5. Will his opponent manage to beat that? 20,000 rands out for grabs. Well done, Wade. We'll find out if you are, in fact, Joburg's sole survivor. We had 2 finalists, one being Wade, who we played with just now, and now our second finalist, Lemogang, is in the building.
Welcome.
Lemogang, were you watching Survivor last night?
Actually, I watched it this morning. 'Cause we
Okay.
had
Oh,
load
so it's
shedding.
fresher in your mind,
I
which
was
is a
about
good
to
thing.
say that could be an advantage.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so we've got 5 questions. We're going to ask you the same 5 questions that we asked Wade. Of course, it's best of 5, and you're looking to win that 20,000 rands. If you are the
Definitely.
runner-up, you win 5,000 rands. So everyone walks away with something. But of course, you want to be Joburg's sole survivor.
Definitely.
All right, Lemogang.
Ooh, no pressure.
Here comes question number 1. What was the very first season of Survivor South Africa called?
Survivor Panama.
Woo! Straight off the bat, that's 1 point. Second question. What do castaways have to win or find to avoid being voted out?
Immunity idols.
That,
Or necklace.
that is
Okay.
correct. Third question. Who was the first castaway to be voted out?
Jason.
That is correct. Here's your fourth question. Name the 2 tribes.
Zamba and Vuna.
That is correct.
So far, so good.
Here's your final question, Lemogang. Who was the chosen fire maker for Vuna?
It was... Vuna is the green. No, the orange. It was Jason. It was Chappies.
I need a final answer.
It was Chappies.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
All right, there we have it. In a bit, we'll find out who between Lemogang and Wade is Joburg's sole survivor. All right, I'm out of breath because I'm so excited for what's about to happen. If you just tuned in, we had a battle between Wade and Lemogang where we asked them 5 questions relating to Survivor South Africa, Immunity Island, and Survivor in general.
So the good news is, I mean, obviously there's a lot of cash up for grabs here, but nobody walks away a loser. Everybody's a winner today because you guys really are soul survivors. You got those clues that we gave out on Wednesday and Thursday in the nick of time. So well done to you guys for that at least.
Yeah, well done.
Soul survivors right there.
And remember, of course, you win 5,000 rands as the runner-up, so you don't walk away empty-handed. And 20,000 rands is the grand prize that you are hoping for. We have our checks ready.
Should I get a drum roll? Hold on. Let me get a
Oh
drum
my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Let me get a long drum roll here.
Wait, firstly, hold on.
Yes, what?
How do you guys feel as being the finalists of Joburg's Soul Survivor? Let me start with you, Wade.
Right now, very nervous.
What would you do with the 20,000 rand, Wade?
I just bought a house, so the money will come in handy.
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
Congratulations on your purchase. Lemogang, what would 20,000 rand mean to you?
Ish, Wade. You know, sure, it would mean a lot. Because firstly, I'd take my little sister out because she's the one that actually pushed me.
Oh, lovely.
So, yeah, it's spoiling mommy, my sister, and my nana.
Oh, love it. Beautiful. Okay. Both playing for a big prize. The question is, who is Joburg's sole survivor?
For 20,000 ronds.
Will it be Wade in the blue on my left? Or will it be Lemogang in a gorgeous afro on my right? And the winner of Joburg's sole survivor is Lemogang! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, Wade, the tribe has spoken, but you walk away with 5,000 rands.
Nice, well done,
Which is
guys.
incredible. Congratulations to the both of you. We hope you continue to watch Survivor South Africa, Immunity Island. Catch it every single Thursday on Mnet DSTV Channel 101. Thank you both for taking the time to come out to Monte Casino and sharing this precious moment. We hope that you enjoy the 5,000 rands. It's all courtesy, of course, of any parting words. Maybe, Wade, you want to say something? You look like you want to say something.
Congratulations, Lemogang.
Thank you.
You know, that was proper survivor, like animosity that came through. Well
Lemogang,
done.
anything you'd like to say?
I'm just happy, guys.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let me tell you, it was a very close call. You scored 4 out of 5. Lemogang scored 5 out of 5. It was the Panama question that she
I
got
hate that
right.
place.
Yeah. I guess that's where you're never going. Never going. There you have it.
Well done, guys.
Catch Survivor Immunity Island every single Thursday, 7:30 p.m. on Mnet DSTV Channel 101.
947 Drive with Tandor.
Monday to Friday, 3 to 7 p.m.